guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be my nighttime cleaning routine. If you are new here, this week on my channel is spring cleaning week. So every day this week I am uploading a new video that is either a cleaning video or a cleaning related video, and today is my nighttime cleaning routine. Before you watch this video, I would make sure that you actually go back and watch yesterday's video. Yesterday's video was my morning routine, and my morning and night routine kind of like play off of each other, and there's a lot that I get done in the morning that sets me up for the nighttime routine and kind of vice versa. So I would definitely suggest that you check out that video. But yeah, so these are all of the things that I do at night to maintain a pretty clean home. Our night routine is a little bit different. My husband works third shift, so a lot of people's night routines kind of center around their family, if that, I feel like that's how it is, and that's not really the case in our house. We primarily do a lot of our like family activities during the morning and afternoon because that's when my husband is home. But during the night, my husband is sleeping, so he's not really around during the nighttime. So generally our dinners, like we don't have big dinners really. Our dinners are primarily, like our big meals are primarily like breakfast and lunch. So dinner is usually very chill out. Like Evelyn will kind of just eat at her little table while I'm like cleaning the kitchen or something. And then I usually eat after she goes to bed. Like I said, usually we have like our big family meal like together either at breakfast or lunch. So yeah, so that's today's video. Keep in mind there are some things that I change up every now and again, but for the sake of this video and just generally these are the, you know, this is the routine, or these are like the cleaning things that I like to get done every single night. So yeah guys, so if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up if you do like it. Please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Make sure that you check out my other videos from spring cleaning week. I'm very excited for spring cleaning. I have been having like a blast all this week, and I've just been having a lot of fun cleaning my house and getting ready for the warm weather. So yeah, so make sure you stick around. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. And without further ado, let's begin. So the very first thing that I do well, this kind of like kicks off our nighttime routine. This generally happens when Evelyn is eating dinner, and I will just head into her bedroom and kind of, I don't know, start closing things down, as I like to say. So just doing like a last minute tidy, make the bed again. She loves her bed. She got a new bed for Christmas, so she plays in her bed all day. So I pretty much make her bed twice a day. I make it once in the morning, and then I make it once at night. But this just kind of, I don't know, I feel like it just makes the room more inviting, and just she's just more apt to kind of want to hang out in there and just, you know, get relaxed for nighttime. So after she's done eating, I will just continue to load that dishwasher. I try to load it throughout the day, but sometimes I do just throw my dishes in the sink. So if there's any dishes in the sink, I will, you know, just load that up right here. And my goal every night as part of this routine is I never go to bed with a dirty kitchen. My life is significantly better if I wake up in the morning and my kitchen is clean. It doesn't happen every night, but that's really my goal, is to have a clean kitchen when I go to bed. So nothing in the sink, counters clear. What you're seeing here is I actually clean my coffee pot and prep it for the morning after, or the next morning. So honestly, all I have to do is just throw some coffee in there, turn it on, I'm good to go. I think every person on the planet needs their coffee. So you are seeing exactly, like, there is no pre-cleaning, there is no filter on this. This is truly what my living room looks like at nighttime. So after Evelyn eats dinner, she's pretty chill out. Like she's getting tired and stuff like that. So she'll usually either go into her room and either play with her toys, or she'll be taking a bath or something like this. So this is my time to kind of go through the house, and I like to do like a 20 to 30 minute tidy. So just, you know, picking up toys, putting them back where they should be, just kind of tidying up the living room, folding the blankets, and just making it look like a tornado didn't go through my living room. So I do this every night, and this is probably my favorite part of my nighttime routine, is the 20 or 30 minute tidy that I do. And it just, oh my goodness, when all the toys are put away and the blankets are folded,
my living room just, I don't know, it comes back to life. So that's what I'm doing here. And like I said, Evelyn is pretty chill around this time of the night. She really starts to wind down after dinner. So like I said, she'll either be taking a bath, or she'll be in her room or in her playroom just doing like quiet activities and just getting ready for nights. And I also do the same thing in the dining room. Pretty much I do it through the entire house, really, except for like the playroom. But I really try to do this every night, just clearing off the dining room table, getting it nice. You're gonna watch me struggle putting away this serving dish in my dining room buffet for like 10 minutes. I just thought that was fun to leave it in this video rather than editing it out, because this is real life, and it took me like a good 5 minutes to get that stupid plate in the dining room buffet. Here it comes. So yeah, so while I struggle with that, that is what I do. I go through the living room, I go through the dining room, and I try to just tidy things up. So when I wake up the next morning, my living room looks good, my dining room looks good, my kitchen looks good. I'm not looking for perfection here. You know, I'm not doing any like deep cleaning here. No, like, you know, I'm not like washing windows or anything like that. And then I also pretty much vacuum a majority of the house. If Evelyn's room needs it, which I will say I probably vacuum her room like every other day. We only have a cat, so we don't, it's not like we have a dog running around leaving a lot of hair everywhere, but her, like I would say the bedrooms get vacuumed like every other day. We do have a cat, so we do have a little bit, but generally the dining room, the living room, and the kitchen, I try to vacuum them every single day at nighttime. So you guys are actually going to see that this is a new vacuum. I got this vacuum I think it was like shortly after Christmas, and it's a Shark Rocket. I'll leave the link to it down below if you're interested, but it has like a hard floor attachment, so it essentially turns it into like a Swiffer vac. Like you attach a microfiber cloth to it, and it's a vacuum as well, and it's just, oh my goodness, it's amazing. If you have hardwoods, it's a true lifesaver. So I will vacuum the living room, and then again you'll see in 1 second right here that I just again quickly go through the dining room and the kitchen as well. So this part of my cleaning routine, this is like part 2. This is after Evelyn's been in bed, and this is kind of like when I'm winding down for the night and I'm just trying to like wrap up, take like, you know, maybe half hour to an hour to myself at night to just kind of relax and decompress. So I'm cleaning up the dishes from the mess that I made while I was eating dinner, and again just tidying up the kitchen, putting the leftovers from dinner away, putting any dishes in the sink that I have, putting any dishes in the dishwasher that I have dirtied. And again, the goal is to go to bed with a clean kitchen. So I always make sure I wipe down the counters. If the stove needs it, I will give the stove a good scrub. But again, this is just, I feel like my night routine is all tidying. That's it. It's just all like 10 and 20 minute tidyings. So again, as I'm winding down, I like to set the mood, and I like to kind of just really relax. So I'll go around and light my candles and just get ready to enjoy my night. But before I sit down finally for the night, I try to tackle one big chore per day. So whether that's mopping the floors, cleaning the bathrooms, cleaning like my appliances in my kitchen, and today, or rather that night, I decided to tackle my fridge. My fridge definitely needed to be cleaned out. It wasn't a deep clean, but again, just like kind of throwing out expired food, giving the shelving like a quick wipe down. So like I said, I tried to tackle one big chore per night. This doesn't always happen. Sometimes I will kind of save all my big chores for the weekend, or if I'm planning on doing an ultimate clean with me, I will purposefully ignore chores so I can get them all done in a video. But while this clip is playing of you guys watching me clean out the fridge. I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the support you've shown me over spring cleaning week, and I know that I have a lot of new subscribers, so I would like to say welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy your stay here, and it's just been awesome to have my little YouTube family. Like, just the love and support that you guys show me on a daily basis is just really, really wonderful. So I just wanted to say thank you for, you know, the support that you're showing on spring cleaning week. I'm glad you're enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it. I'm having a lot of fun cleaning my house. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the love and all the support. And like I said, I hope you keep, you know, I hope you stick around, and I hope you keep enjoying my channel. So to wrap up my nighttime cleaning routine, this is something that I've kind of added to my nighttime routine pretty recently, and that is wiping down my bathroom counter every single night. Again, decluttering it, making sure what's there should be there, and just putting away any like hair products or anything like that. And yeah, I've really been enjoying this, and I'm going to keep doing it. I try to do it every night. It doesn't always happen, but I do enjoy it. I like waking up to a clean bathroom as well. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna let the rest of the video play, but that's all I have for my nighttime routine. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it motivated you. I hope it gave you some ideas. And I hope you enjoyed spring cleaning week. This is the last video of the week. I love you forever, and I will see you in my next video.